This is the eighth part of our first lesson, An Astrologer's Day. It is on page number 4, third paragraph, seventh line from the last. Now listen carefully. If you find my answer satisfactory, you will give me 5 rupees. Who said this? The astrologer said this. Why did he say this? Because the stranger, the unknown person, told the astrologer that you are bluffing the common people. You are cheating the common people. And therefore, the astrologer became very angry, but he didn't show his anger. And he said, okay, if you think that I am bluffing the people, I am cheating the people, so whatever will be your question, and when I will give you answer for that question, if you feel very satisfied for that answer, then you have to give me 5 rupees per answer. No. But the stranger, the other man said, no, I won't give you 5 rupees. Then the astrologer said, or will you give me 8 anna? Alright, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong, said the stranger. Then the stranger said, okay, whatever I will give you, 1 anna, 2 anna, 8 anna. If your answer is not satisfactory, then you have to return me in a twice amount, in double amount. This pact, look at the meaning of pact. Pact, it means a formal agreement. This pact was accepted after a little further argument. So, there was a formal agreement between a stranger and this astrologer, and after a little bit argument, this was decided. The astrologer sent up a prayer to heaven. Heaven, it's a God's place where gods live. As the other light a cherub. The meaning of cherub is given here in the blue line. Cherub, it means a cigar. So when the pact was decided, the agreement was decided, after that the stranger person took out a cherub, a cigarette from his pocket and lighted it. The astrologer caught a glimpse. Look at the meaning of glimpse. Brief or partial look. Glimpse of his face by the match light. So when that stranger took out a match stick and lighted it for his cheroot, for his cigarette, so under that light, that small light, the astrologer saw that stranger's face. There was a pause as cars hooted. Look at the meaning of hoot. It means harsh sound of horn. A pause as cars hooted on the road. Jutka, the meaning of Jutka is given here, horse driven cart. Jutka drivers soar at. See the meaning of soar at? Soar at, it means abuse or use bad words. So out their horses and the babble. Look at the meaning of babble. Babble, it means chattering, loud noise. Babble of the crowd agitated. See the meaning of agitate? Agitate, it means make troubled or nervous. Agitated the semi-darkness of the park. Look at the meaning of semi-darkness. Semi-darkness, it means a level of light it is possible to see but not clearly. That is called semi-darkness of the park. So when the astrologer caught a glimpse, he looked briefly the stranger's face. After that, everything stopped for him. He baffled the astrologer, afraid, because that stranger person was known to him. He knew that person. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot. Look at the meaning of suck. Suck, it means to draw into mouth. Sucking his cheroot, puffing out. Look at the meaning of puff out. Puff out, it means a small quantity of smoke emitted in a blast. Emit, it means throw forcefully, quickly, or throw out. Puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. Look at the meaning of ruthlessly. Ruthlessly, it means having or showing no compassion or pity. So that stranger, the other person, sat down there. He lighted his cheroot, his cigarette, and after that he sucked the smoke and then puffed out that smoke. That time he was very ruthless. He was not showing any kind of compassion for that astrologer. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna back. I am not used to. What is the meaning of used to? Look at here. It means did repeatedly in the past. I am not used to such challenges. So after watching the face of the stranger, this astrologer became very uncomfortable. He started to afraid, and therefore he gave back the stranger's Anna and said, I don't want this kind of challenges. I didn't have this kind of challenges in my past. It is late for me today. He made preparation to bundle up. Then the astrologer said that it is too long, I have to go my home, and he started to bundle up everything. The other hold his wrist. This part of the hand is called wrist. The other held his wrist and said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me. Drag. Look at the meaning of drag. Drag, it means pull along forcefully or with efforts. You dragged me in while I was passing. So when the astrologer started to bundle up everything, gave back that stranger's Anna and said, it is too late, I have to go my home. That time, that stranger held the wrist of that astrologer and said, sit down. You dragged me here. You forcefully pushed me here. And now, you can't go out from here. The astrologer shivered. He was started to shaking. In his grip, look at the meaning of grip. Grip, it means take or keep from hold of. The grip and his voice shook and became faint. Look at the meaning of faint. Faint, it means weak or low. Now, when that stranger get hold on the wrist of that astrologer and said him sit down and complete all this, give the answer of my questions. So after that, the astrologer started to shiver and his voice shook it means his voice was starting going up and down and also faint. It means his voice became a little bit weak, a little bit low. Leave me today, I will speak to you tomorrow. Then the astrologer said, leave me. Today I won't give you any answer of your question. Tomorrow come here, I will give every answer of your question. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, but the stranger person, he was not ready to listen anything. He pushed his palm under the face of that astrologer and said, challenge is challenge. Go on. He said, there was a challenge and you have accepted that challenge. So go on, continue this challenge. Don't go from here. The astrologer proceeded with, look at the meaning of proceeded with. Proceed with, it means carry on or continued action. Proceed with his throat drying up, there is a woman. So after that, the astrologer became very nervous. He was afraid there. His throat was drying. There was difficulty to come out his voice, and in that condition he proceeded. He carry on, he go ahead, move ahead and said, there is a woman. And after that, there are given dot dot dot. It means the astrologer didn't complete his sentence, and within that the other said something. So what the other, that stranger person said, we will learn in the next part. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.